Hello everyone. Today's class will be learning few tricks how to solve the dice question relatively faster, right? So few basics related to dice. जो dice के बेटा आपको pictures given होंगी, that will either be a closed dice or an open dice. In case of open dice, dice is treated as a box and all the six sides of the dice are open with the numbers or elements given on it. Closed dice, these are of two types. One is a standard dice, another is ordinary dice. Standard dice is the dice which is available in the market, and the characteristics for this is कि यहाँ पर बेटा जो opposite faces होंगे standard dice के केस में उनका sum जो है वो हमेशा 7 होगा, राइट? अगर अपोजिट फेसेस का सम 7 होगा तो जो आपको इमेज गिवन है, पिक्चर गिवन है जहां पर तीन फेसेस हैं, उनका सम कभी भी 7 नहीं हो सकता है. सो इफ यू विल टेक दिस डाइस, यहाँ पर जो है इमेजेस आर 3, 1 एंड 5. नाउ दिस सम कैन नेवर बी 7. अगर इमेज में जो पिक्चर्स है उनका सम 7 हो गया तो वो एक स्टैंडर्ड डाइस नहीं है. आपके एग्जाम में यूजुअली स्टैंडर्ड डाइस से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है. क्वेश्चन इज ऑन जनरल डाइस. जनरल डाइस में जो अपोजिट फेसेस है उनका सम जो है वो फिक्स्ड नहीं है, एंड उनको सॉल्व करने के लिए इज व्हाट वी लर्न वन और टू फ्यू ट्रिक्स और रूल्स. तो पहला जो रूल है, पहली जो ट्रिक है, दैट इज व्हेन एग्जैक्टली वन एलिमेंट इज कॉमन. अगर सिर्फ एक और एक एलिमेंट कॉमन है तो उस केस में, अगर टू एलिमेंट्स कॉमन है या एक भी एलिमेंट कॉमन नहीं है, देन द केस इज different, right? So if I'll take this number as let's say 3. Now in this particular case only one element is common, that is number 4 is common. So if number 4 is common, then how to proceed is you write all the numbers in clockwise direction. 4 से आप clockwise जाएंगे बेटा, then is 2, then is 6. So you write it down, 4, 2 and 6. Here you write 4, 3 and 5, starting with 4 because 4 was common. Now question will be asked, what is the face opposite to 2 or opposite to 4? Answer is very simple. Opposite to 2 is your 3. Opposite to 6 is your 5. Now the number left are 4 and 1. So 1 and 4 are opposite to each other. ठीक है, लेट्स टेक द कॉन्सेप्ट अगेन. अगर वन एलिमेंट कॉमन है तो आप उस कॉमन एलिमेंट के अराउंड जो नंबर्स हैं उनको क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में लिखेंगे. इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस 1 इज कॉमन, यू राइट डाउन द नंबर इन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. सो आफ्टर 1 is your 3, then is 5. In the second case, after 1 is your 2 and then is 4. So 2 and 3 will form the opposite face, 5 and 4 will form the opposite face. 1 के अपोजिट कौन सा होगा? जो नंबर आपने अभी तक नहीं किया है, so that will be opposite to 1, right? So this is most commonly used trick. Let's take if the number of faces which are shown in that two elements are common or none of the element is common. So rule number 2, if two elements are common, then the third element which is not common, they will form the opposite face. So opposite to 2 will be 6. What about other faces? Other faces opposite to 3 and opposite to 5 is not fixed. You cannot determine. It can be either 1 or it can be either 4. Right? So two possibilities are emerging out of it. Data is insufficient to determine the face opposite to 4. Let's see rule number 3. Rule number 3 talks about if none of the faces कॉमन है ना, देयर इज नो कॉमन एलिमेंट इन द फेसेस गिवन. यहाँ पर सारे फेसेस डिफरेंट है, सो बेटा यू कैन नॉट डिटरमाइन, है ना, डाटा इज इनसफिशिएंट, यू कैन नॉट डिटरमाइन द opposite to any of the number. Only thing which you are very sure is 2, 4 and 5 numbers which are appearing in the same picture cannot be the opposite face. So 2 के opposite में 4 और 5 नहीं हो सकता है ना, that thing is for sure. So 2 के opposite में any of the possibility is there. It can be 1, it can be 3, or it can be 6. Right? So out of these different combinations will emerge out. So let's practice one or two more questions in this to clear the concept. So in this particular case, first thing you check how many faces are common. So you have got 6 is common, 6 is common, and then you have got 2 is common, right? So in this case, this 2 is common. So rule number 2 is there. If two common faces are there, then the remaining uncommon faces will form the opposite face. यहाँ पर आप क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन का रूल नहीं लगाएंगे, ठीक है? क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन का रूल सिर्फ तब है जब when only one face is common. So 3 is common in this case. Here you will apply clockwise direction rule. So write down after 3 numbers you are writing down in clockwise direction 3, 4 and 1. In this case 3, 2 and 6 are there. So this is 3, 2 and 6. So opposite to 4 is 2, opposite to 1 is 6, and opposite to 3 is the remaining number, that is 5. This forms the opposite number pairs. Next case is for open dice. Open dice may will be taking ordinary dice, not the standard dice. So open dice may beta will treat the dice as a box and will open it with 6 faces. Now this opening of 6 faces will vary how you are giving a cut, and those 6 faces can actually be opened in 11 different ways, right? So these are the possible combinations which are there, in which some numbers or elements will be given. You have to find which is the opposite number. So solving it is very easy. Only two things you have to take care. First is if the numbers are in the square box, and if two square boxes are horizontally or vertically separated by exactly one square box, then there will be opposite face. So in this case, you can say that A is opposite to C, right? So you observe the other faces. So E and F, they are separated vertically with exactly one square box. They form the opposite face. Similarly, B and D, they will form the opposite face. Let's see in the next picture. So this is 3. Now this 3 is separated by one square box from 5. So 3 and 5 are opposite face. 1 and 4 will form opposite pairs, and 2 and 6, they will form opposite pairs, right? So the concept I hope you have understood now. So you have to first see which are separated horizontally or vertically by exactly one square. They will form the opposite pairs. So in this case 4 and 6 are separated by one box, so they are opposite pair. 3 and 5, there is no other option left, right, with 2 and 5. So they have to be the opposite pair, right? Now the question is trickier with this particular set. In this, if you will see, none of the two squares are separated horizontally or vertically by one square box. So here rule number 2 you will use. Rule number 2 says that if any particular box is, or any particular square is touching any other square by sharing the side or vertex, then they cannot be the opposite sides. If you see, this number 5 is sharing a side with number 3, sharing a side with number 4, is sharing a vertex with number 4, is sharing a vertex with number 1, right? So 1, 3, 4, 6 cannot be the opposite side. Only possibility is the 5 is opposite side of 2. That's the only possibility. Okay, let's do it again. If I'm interested for number 3, right? So number 3 is sharing, okay, if you see number 3 is sharing a vertex with number 2, right? And it is also sharing a line with number 1. It's sharing line with number 5. It's sharing a vertex with number 6. So only possibility is 3 is in pair with 4. Pair means opposite pairs. Now opposite to number 1 is the only possibility, that is number 6. So you have got the pairs which are forming the opposite sides. So let's take some questions on open dice. So बेटा open dice में you have to first form the opposite pair. आप दो चीजें दो रूल करेंगे. पहला आप फाइंड करेंगे कि कौन सी अपोजिट साइड्स बन रही हैं. सेकेंड इज you'll make sure कि जो हमारा राइट करेक्ट डाइस है उसमें अपोजिट साइड्स वाले अपोजिट पेयर्स के नंबर जो हैं वो नहीं आने चाहिए. अपोजिट पेयर्स के नंबर साथ में नहीं होने चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट अपोजिट पेयर्स 1 is opposite to 2, right? 4 is opposite to 6, separated by one square box. 5 and 3, no other options are left, so they are opposite pairs. Now you check out. 5 is your pink color, 3 is your pink color. So two opposite pairs are coming in one dice, and thus this dice is not possible, right? Next is 6 is blue in color and 4 is also blue in color. Now two opposite sides cannot come into same image. एक ही image में नहीं आ सकते हैं. Let's check out the fourth one. 1 and 3, they are coming into the same image. Opposite pairs in same image, dice is not possible. Next one is 4 is blue, 3 is 1 is yellow and 3 is pink. Here none of the color is getting repeated and thus no opposite pairs are together, and this is the right answer. Okay, let's follow the same logic again, little more practice. The second one, if you'll see, you have got C and A are forming the opposite pairs, F and E are forming the opposite pairs, separated by one square, and left out is D and B, right? Let's color it out. If you see B and D, they are opposite pairs, so this particular answer is incorrect. If I'll take about let's say the next one, so this is your A is there, C is there, and A and C are actually opposite pairs coming into the same picture. This is not possible. Next one, C is there. So you have got C is there, F is there, and D is there. So in this, none of them is getting repeated. So this is correct. Next one is your B is there. So you have B, then is F, and then is E. So F and E are yellow, they are getting repeated. So this is incorrect answer, right? So correct option is dice 3. How many dices are possible? Only one dice, that is dice number 3 is possible. Okay, same open dice question becomes little trickier if the orientation of the figure matters, right? If you will see, the circle does not have any orientation, but these inclined lines, they have some orientation, right? So सबसे पहले, the first thing first is you'll find out the opposite sides. So if you'll see, opposite side of circle is this blank is there. For blue is this square, and this is the pink is the opposite sides, right? So you will first form these opposite sides here. You have got circle is going with a blank and slant lines is going with a blank and a square is going with a blank. All these are forming the opposite pairs. Now the blank part is not clear, right? Blank part is same for all three. So now that changes the scenario. So if you will try to color it, right, here all the possibilities are there. So these are forming the three different sides. So this is correct answer, right? Let's color it. If you have got yellow is there, this is yellow, yellow, this is yellow is there, and blue is square part is blue, square part is blue, and pink part is slant lines, slant lines, and slant lines, and slant lines. Now here basically the empty box you can, right, possibility के according you can fill it up as per the third color also. So here if you see all the dices looks possible, but if you look at the orientation, ठीक है, orientation का मतलब है बेटा यहाँ पर जो line की directions है, right, if you look at it, I am marking one corner here, right, I am marking one corner here. From this corner, if you are looking towards the circle, so basically you are in the left side of the square. ये जो corner है, इस corner, ये square जो है बेटा circle वाले के साथ attached है, और यहाँ से if you are looking, so you are on the left side. ठीक है, अगर आप slant line से circle की तरफ देखेंगे, so the corner is on the left side. अगर आप यहाँ पर पहले corner को fill करें, तो स्लांट लाइन से अगर आप यहाँ से जो है सर्कल की तरफ देख रहे हैं, तो कॉर्नर इज ऑन राइट साइड, राइट. So you will say that this is not a possible case. Now again in this, जो बेटा सर्कल के साथ इंक्लाइन लाइंस वाला प्लेन है उसमें आप कॉर्नर को मार्क करेंगे. This is the corner which we are talking about. The corner when you are looking from the inclined lines, when you are looking from the, आप inclined lines के उससे जब सर्कल को देख रहे हैं, from inclined lines you are looking at the circle, the shaded corner is on the left side, right, the shaded corner is on the left side. So this is a valid case is there. From the inclined lines, when you are looking towards the circle, the shaded corner is coming on the right side. It should have been on the left. This is not a valid case, right? Mark the corner from the shaded region. You are looking inclined lines के से आप circle को देख रहे हैं, and this is on the left side. So if inclined lines are on the left side, this is a valid case. So your correct answer is 2 and 4. Okay, this is the last type of case. In this particular case, जो आपका few sides are not being left out as square, but they are being further cut either in triangle or rectangular shape. So first thing will be same. You will find whatever the opposite faces you can find. Opposite to 1 is 5. Opposite to 2 is 4. And same way opposite to 3 will be your remaining part, right? Opposite to 2 is 4 and opposite to 3. बेटा 3 के opposite में कौन सा होगा? ये सारे faces जो together they will form a square. These are opposite. So in such questions also, when you are solving it, just first mark the opposite faces and then try to solve, right? Let's take an example in this. A good example, relatively tricky, in which orientation also matters. So this is the question we are doing. First you will mark the opposite faces. So opposite to X is the circle, then opposite to empty circle is a square, and remaining these are your opposite faces, right? Same opposite face should not come in the same image. So आप यहाँ पर जो है, if you see, this is yellow, yellow, this is yellow, this is X. So yellow वाला जो opposite faces हैं, they are not coming in same image. So blue one, so this is blue, blue. Okay, so blue is also not coming in the same image. Now they all look valid with respect to the limitations of opposite face. The opposite face जो वो same image में नहीं आनी चाहिए. Now let's look at the orientation we have been talking about. Let's make a cube here. यहाँ पर हम एक cube बना लेते हैं. अब इस cube में if you will see, ये जो arrow है बेटा, this arrow is coming here. ये arrow ऐसे आएगा यहाँ पर, right? And this is your circle is there. So if you will observe, the arrow should basically point away from the circle. And यहाँ पर बेटा जो bottom वाला case है उसको अगर आप open करेंगे, So ये जो है this is opposite to the circle वाला केस होगा. Opposite to circle is your square is there. Sorry, cross is there. Okay, this color coding I have done little wrong. So let's correct this. So this is blue is there, and opposite to the blue circle, empty circle, this is a square is there, right? So one thing is clear, that the arrow should always point away from the circle and towards the square. So in this particular case, arrow is pointing away from the circle. So this is a correct option. In this case, arrow is pointing towards the cross. Now that is not an option which is available with us. So this is wrong. Arrow should always point towards the square. So in this case, arrow is not there, and this line and the square does not have any limitation. So this is a correct option. In this particular case, arrow is pointing towards the circle. So arrow should have been pointing away from the circle. So this is a wrong option, right? You can pause the video and check out this question again and try to solve it by yourself. Okay, this ends the dice session. Dice questions are relatively easy with these tricks, right? These tricks will save you some time. Okay, let's end the session here.